To begin, I've already set up a new sequence. Now, grab the Type tool, or simply press T shortcut to add some text. You can double-click on Text Layer to bring up the Essential Graphics panel, or access it from the Window menu. Let's increase the font size. While we're at it, let's change the font and adjust the letter spacing too. If you want the text centered, just click the horizontal and vertical align buttons. Now, set the fill color to yellow. To give it a glow effect, add a text shadow. Set the color to same yellow color, and opacity to 100%. With both distance and spread at 0, adjust the blur to 85 for a nice glow, or increase it for a more intense effect. Next, click on the Rectangle Shape tool to create a 4-point polygon mask. Set the mask feather value to 0, and then adjust the mask's position and shape. By holding down the Alt or Option key, duplicate the text layer. Then click on Mask 1 to highlight it, and tweak the position and size. We'll repeat this step for each letter, so I'm speeding up the video. Now, randomly reposition these text layers. After a few frames, we'll start our animation. So move all the text layers a few frames forward. To create a flicker effect, move forward by 2 frames, then use the razor tool or press Ctrl or Command K to cut the layer. Delete every second frame. Similarly, we'll randomly adjust the layer positions and cut them. After a few seconds, we'll end the flicker animation in the same way. If you find creating individual text layers for each letter too time-consuming, you can create a single text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icon next to the text section. Using the Type tool, you can select each letter and toggle the full color every few frames. However, this method makes it harder to animate each letter individually. For an extra touch, add an electric sound effect. Trim the audio to match the start and end of the flicker animation dot, and this is what you will end up with.